Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining us again for another episode of IG Drinks. Today is the first episode in our series for the classics of all cocktails. One thing I've found has been incredibly useful for my education about cocktails has been this book called Home Bar Basics by David Stolt. I got it off of Kickstarter actually, and I'm not trying to endorse it, but it has been really great. So in the family of cocktails, there's 4 ways to divide everything. You've got your slings, your sours, your grogs, and your nogs. Today's drink comes from the sling family. And if you're wondering what that is, a sling is a spirit-forward mixed drink, typically balanced with sweetness and aromatics that is either built or stirred. So given that in mind, we're going to take a look at one of the most versatile drinks in all of cocktail history. It is the Old Fashioned. It's likely you've heard of it. It's on probably every menu in some form. The structure and template of an Old Fashioned is very close to what it would have been in the 19th century. It is a spirit, bitters, and sugar, and water, usually in the form of ice. So I'm going to show you how to make it at a basic level, and then hopefully over time you get a taste for what you like, and then you can change the recipe to suit your own preferences, and maybe experiment with some other spirits as well. Shall we?